Hello everyone, we introduced you edge and mid-section clamps before. Now I will introduce you multi-purpose clamp kit which can be used as screen barrier as well as a space separator. Made of galvanized steel, it is a sturdy product so that suitable for indoor and outdoor usage. Inside of the clamp where it touches the table and holds the screen are covered with black soft pads EVA. You can assure that your table and screen don't get any scratch or damage. As you can see, there's a plus slot on the product. That way you can create a barrier at the edge or in the middle of a table. When you place the panel gripper horizontal, you can create a barrier at the edge of the table. In order to create a barrier in the middle of the table, place the panel gripper vertical. You can adjust your clamp according to the thickness of your table and your screen. It fits desk thickness from 6 to 40 mm and it can hold your screen between 2 to 8 mm thickness. For large tables or non-standard tables, you can increase the number of the clamps to fit the screen. With the help of the multi-purpose clamp kit, you can create an immediate screen solution. Now I will show you the clamp process on this table. Clamp it at the edge of the table. Place the bracket. Open it and put the screen in between. Tighten the black knob underneath. In order to have a straight screen, you need to tighten it well. Your product is ready to use. You don't have to have a square or rectangular shaped table to use multi-purpose clamp kit. In your office, meeting room or restaurant, you might have different shapes of table as you see here. When you place the panel gripper that way, you create a barrier at the edge of the table. If you want to create a barrier in the middle of the table, all you should do is to change the panel gripper. The most important feature of this product is removing and remounting easily. Through loosening black knob underneath, you can change the position of your screen. Multi-purpose clamp kit can be used in replacement of mid-section and edge clamp kits. We also appreciate that its usage is not as good as edge clamp because edge clamp grips the table from edge completely to avoid any idle space. Thus, it is much more practical to clean the table. However, when you don't know whether you need to create a screen barrier at the front or in the middle, multi-purpose clamp kit is the best solution for you. It is packed in 2 pieces. Our panel options are clear, frosted acrylic and wood. If you want to know more about panels, please click this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay healthy. Goodbye.